everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you another punch needle work. It's a requested video. They want punch needle work on pillow cover. So pillow or cushion cover, I didn't get any cushion cover, so I'm just using this cotton pillow cover. It's a totally white in color. Now for this work I'm going to use this woolen thread, which is 2 ply. This is 2 ply woolen thread. 3 colors I have: red, yellow and green. I like to use these 3 colors. Okay, for this work, as you know that we need this embroidery hook, and definitely we require this punch needle. So let's start the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So let's start the video now. So as you can see, I am washing this pillow cover. One pillow cover I have completed. So now I am washing it, because previously you had asked me that if we wash this, so the thread will come out. So for that reason I am just giving you the practical demo that the thread is intact over there. So you can cut this. Whatever the procedure I am showing you, you can do easily. So for this design I will start from the leaf part. First insert the needle, and like this manner you have to complete the leaf part. How to do this punch needle work, regarding this I have already uploaded video in my channel. So I will share the link in the description box. Please, if you want, you can check from there. And the purchase link of this punch needle also I will add in the description box. So like this manner I have completed this leaf part. Now the extra threads, please cut it. Then you just insert your scissor and just cut the middle portion like this, so you can get the vein of the leaf. So it will look like this. This manner I will complete rest of the leaves also. So this is the look. Okay, it's completed. Now I will start the flower petals with the red color. Same manner you have to do the punch needle first. Now this is the back side, and here is the front side. First cut the extra threads which is coming out, and now just give the shape of the petal. Side portion, cut it. No need to worry when you are cutting. Don't be afraid that the threads will come out. As you can see that I am doing it, so it's not coming out. Just the extra threads and the shape you have to give with your scissor. The inner portion I am just cutting bit more. It will look prominent. In this manner, rest of the petals also you have to give the shape. Now in the middle I will apply yellow color, and the middle portion, yellow portion, I will not cut much because it will be bit embossed kind of. So your flower with leaf, it's ready.